All right, trig 7, number 8. So this is what they've given you. They have angle B is 82, side BC is 9, and side CA is 19. So because I have one angle and the side opposite, I can use the law of sines. So if you remember, the law of sines is sine A over A equals sine B over B equals sine C over C. All right, well, sine A is what they're asking you for, so I definitely have to use this relationship. So sine A is my variable. So sine A over the side opposite A is 9. Sine B, well, that would be the sine of 82 over the side opposite B is 19. So I don't need to use sine C at all. I only need 2 of the 3 ratios in order to be able to solve this. So now I have a ratio. I have 3 constants and 1 variable, so I can go ahead and solve this. I'm going to cross multiply. So I have 19 times the sine of A equals 9 times the sine of 82. This here is my variable. The sine A is my variable, right? That's like a chunk of information. I can't break the sine and the A apart until it's alone. So I'm going to divide both sides by 19. And when I do that, the 19s cross out, and I have the sine of A equals 9 times the sine of 82 over 19. So let me pull up my calculator. Sorry. And we'll put that in the calculator. Now you have to be careful. I usually put everything in parentheses just to be safe. So we go back here. All right, so I'm going to do parentheses 9 times the sine of 82. I'm going to close my parentheses, divided by 19. And I get 0.4691. So I know now that the sine of A equals 0.469, blah, 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 blah. But I don't want to know what the sine of A is. What they asked me for is what is the measurement of angle A. So if you remember, if you want to find an angle measure, I don't know where I'm going here. If you want to find an angle measure, you have to go to your calculator and you're going to have to hit the arc sine. So you're going to go second sine of this 0.46 blah, blah, blah. So instead of typing it in, I'm just going to go second answer, close my parentheses, and hit enter. So that tells me now that the angle is 27.9. We usually round to the nearest whole number, so I'm going to say 28 degrees. So that tells me now that this angle here is 28 degrees. Now, if they'd asked me for angle C, I could just take 180 and subtract those two, and I could easily get angle C. If you have any questions, let me know.